Hello everyone, I am Rahim Šұғыla. I study at school number 2 named after Уәлиханов in 7A form. Biography of William Shakespeare. William Shakespeare was a renowned English poet, playwright and actor born in 1564 in Stratford-upon-Avon. His birthday is most commonly celebrated on 23 April, which is also believed to be the date he died in 1616. Shakespeare was a prolific writer during the Elizabeth and the Jacobean ages of British theatre. Shakespeare's plays are perhaps his most enduring legacy, but they are not all he wrote. Shakespeare's poems also remain popular to this day. Shakespeare's family life. Records survive relating to William Shakespeare's family that offer an understanding of the context of Shakespeare's early life and the lives of his family members. John Shakespeare married Mary Arden, and together they had 8 children. John and Mary lost 2 daughters as infants, so William becomes their eldest child. John Shakespeare worked as a glove maker, but he also became an important figure in the town of Stratford for fulfilling civic positions. His elevated status means that he was even more likely to have sent his children, including William, to the local grammar school. When he was 18, Shakespeare married Anna Hathaway, who was 26. It was a Russian marriage because Anna was already pregnant at the time of the ceremony. Together they had 3 children. Their first daughter, Susanna, was born 6 months after the wedding and was later followed by twins Hamlet and Judith. Hamlet died when he was just 11 years old. Shakespeare's career jump-started in London, but when did he go there? We know Shakespeare's twins were baptized in 1585 and that by 1592. His reputation was established in London, but the intervening years are considered a mystery. Scholars generally refer to these years as the lost years. During his time in London, Shakespeare's first printed works were published. They were 2 long poems, Venus and Adonis and the Rape of Lucrece. He also became a founding member of the Lord Chamberlain's Men, a company of actors. Shakespeare was the company's regular dramatist, producing an average 2 plays a year for almost 20 years. Shakespeare's works. Altogether, Shakespeare's works include 38 plays, 2 narrative poems, 154 sonnets, and a variety of other poems. No original manuscripts of Shakespeare's plays are known to exist today. It is actually thanks to a group of actors from Shakespeare's company that we have about half of the plays at all. They collected them for publication after Shakespeare died. Preserving the plays, these writings were brought together in that is known as the first folio. It contained 36 of his plays, but none of his poetry.